What's up, guys? Welcome back to Skyway Classics. Today we definitely have a classic for you. We have a 1929 Ford Model A with the rumble seat, which is flipped up in the back, as you can see. I've got Al here going to share some more info that he's got on this car.
It is a complete frame-off restoration back in the day. It is a 4-cylinder. You're going to see when Niall and I take it for a ride how it, you just touch the starter, away it goes. The top does completely fold down, and it's only a year old. Tires are only a couple years old. We got it out here on consignment, and I got to tell you what, man, it's an exciting car.
Very nice.
We're going to be around $22,900 for a piece of history that you can actually drive. It's one of the only ones I've driven that can go 35, 40 miles an hour comfortably. Reverse is really nice. It's got the side shade windows, choke, and the throttle work off the steering wheel real nice. Got a nice ignition, comfortable seat. A nice one. If you're looking for one that you don't have to spend 30, 40 grand on, here it is. And really have a nice one. So let's you and I take it for a quick little spin.
Sure.
I'm gonna crawl in there.
Wow, that's pretty impressive. 1929, starting right up.
Isn't that incredible how it started?
That's crazy. All right, here we go. We're gonna take the 1929 for a spin.
I want to show you the gas gauge. Is really kind of cool how it shows that we have a quarter tank of gas.
Yeah.
I've really never been in when they went that bad.
Sure.
I'm on a side street, so I can't really get her up, but she's got a lot of power. She does very well. I just take that gas gauge too. That's pretty cool. I got cars that are 40 years newer. These gauges don't work.
Right.
So a great parade car. A great car to just have a piece of
Piece of history.
History, yeah.
Very cool.
All right, let's pick her up and put her on the waist and see what she looks like.
Sounds good.